Are you struggling to apply the Transform Translate property in Angular? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to conditionally apply styles and nothing seems to work. You're not the only one who has felt this way. Many developers have been in your shoes. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to apply the Transform Translate X property directly using ngStyle. They mentioned seeing some approaches, but were confused about the best way to do it without running into issues like unsafe styles. So what's the issue here? The challenge lies in how Angular handles styles and sanitization. When you try to apply certain styles directly, Angular may flag them as unsafe, which can be frustrating. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear method to apply the Transform Translate property without any hassle. To apply the Transform Translate property using ngStyle, the user should start by defining a property in their component class that will hold the translation value. This property can be a string that represents the translation in pixels or any other unit. Next, the user needs to bind this property to the ngStyle directive in the template. This allows Angular to dynamically apply the style based on the value of the property. If the user wants to change the translation value conditionally, they can update the property in response to events or conditions in their application. This will automatically update the style on the element. Finally, the user should ensure that the styles are correctly applied by testing the component in the browser. They can check the rendered HTML to confirm that the transform property is set as expected. Fun fact, did you know that CSS transforms can create some pretty cool animations? Just think about how many websites use them to enhance user experience. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user is to use the style binding for the transform property. They suggest using style.transform with a string that combines translate X and the value in pixels. Here's a pro tip. Always test your styles in different browsers to ensure compatibility. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to apply the Transform Translate property using ngStyle in Angular. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.